Heat 1 cup oil in a large pot. Once the oil is hot, add some whole spices and saute for a few seconds. Add the chicken and stir well. Then add sliced onions and cook for a few minutes. Next, add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now add all the spices along with National Biryani Masala. Mix everything well and let the chicken cook until tender and the masala becomes rich and flavorful. Meanwhile, bring water to a boil in another pot. Add a little cumin, some whole spices, chopped fresh coriander, and lemon slices. Add the rice and cook until almost done, then drain. Once the chicken masala is ready, spread a layer of rice over it. Add the remaining rice on top and garnish with fresh coriander, lemon slices, and tomato slices. Cover the pot tightly and place it on low heat for dum. Let it steam for a few minutes so all the flavors blend together perfectly. Your delicious homemade chicken biryani is now ready to serve. Enjoy every bite.